All of you are able to see the screen. Take out your copy, not in book. Do not solve the sum in book, okay? Take out your copy first. All of you take out your copy. Look, this one is just put date CW, right? CW, date also. So it is 28. Put the date also. Write CW. Okay, now you have to write the whole statement, okay? Just you will write the answer, it will not be done. Because these are not from your textbook, though. So you have to write, just mark 1. And write the number, write the statement, okay? Write the number that comes after 735. The number comes after 735, after 735. That means what? Immediate after, already I explained. Immediate after means we have to add plus 1, or we have to add 1, or we have to plus 1. And immediate before means minus. It is forward counting, it is backward counting before, okay? So as it is given, which number comes after 735? It will be 736 plus 1, that will be 736. So just write the answer over there, 736. Done? Okay. Acha, write the whole statement. The number that comes after 735, then in box you will write the answer. Whole statement, all of you. Those who have queries, don't worry, I'll come to you. I'll come to each and every student, okay? Before that, let me finish it. Now, number 2. Number 2, look, write the number that comes before. It is given before 500. That means minus 1. What will be the answer? 499, right? Just do it. $499. Write the number that comes between. In between means exactly in the middle, in between 644 and 646. 646. Achha, between means basically just look after of the first one and before of the second one. Just follow one rule, any one rule. Either follow after rule, then we have to add 1. It will be 645. Or you can follow the next rule also, minus 1 before rule. Then it will also be the same number. Okay, no need to follow both the process. Just any one. 644, 646. Understood? All of you, this one is clear? Yes, Amrita, you want to say something? Acha, now just do it. Solve it first. The first one is 736. Second one 499. Just wait, 99. Third one 645. Fourth one, look, 900, 7 tens and 2 ones are there. 900 means what? Definitely 900. 9 and 0, 0. Okay, next 7 tens are there. That means 7 tens. What will be this? 70 and 2 ones, that is 2. Then we have to just add them. Already I explained this type of sum when I was doing while I was doing chapter 2. It will be 2, it is 7, it is 9. 972. Okay, so just write in this box 972. Done. Now the next one, write the largest number among these. Acha, how many numbers are there? I am writing 843, 395, 625, 117. Just look at this. Write the answer, this one and this one also. All of you, write the statement properly. Write the statement properly. Then you have to, don't open the book, Farhan Akhtar. Just you have to do it in your copy. Okay, and you have to write the full statement, whole statement. I'll check each and everyone's copy. Achha, now just do. It is ones place, it is tens place, it is 100 place. Just look at, I told how to find out greater number. 100 place, you have to look. Look, here it is 8 in 100 place, here it is 3, it is 6, it is 1. Among these 4, which one is greater? Definitely 8. Okay? Ankush, you are doing Tom. Definitely 8. So definitely this number will be the greater one. 843. So what to write over there? Just write. But write the full statement, whole statement. Just do it first. Again, I am writing. Write in ascending. Acha. The next one is given write in descending order. Descending means big to small. Already I told you. This one is done. Right? Big to small. Right? Now, what are the numbers? Look, 215, 386. Okay. Next one, 159. Next one, 256. Just look at this. Which one is greater one? First, we have to find. Look at 100 place. It is 3, na? So definitely this one is first greater number. Yes. Now after that, look, these two, this is also 2, both are same. So we have to move for the right place. Next right, immediate right. It is 1, it is 5. This 5 is greater than 1. So definitely this one will be the second one. Yes. This one third, and the remaining one is the fourth one, 159. Understood though? So just maintain the order for this one. And put the greater sign properly, okay? 386 greater than 256 greater than 215 greater than 159. All of you done this? In one line you have to write, okay? Look at this. I am writing again, okay? 386 greater than 256. Now it is clear though? Done? Virginia Akhtar, where are you? Okay. Rahat doing? Achha, now the next one, look. Now the next one, 3, look, 8 tens and 3 ones. It is given 8 tens. 8 tens means what? Definitely 80. 3 ones means what? 3. Just we have to add them. It will be 83, right? So just write over there 80. Done to all of you? Acha, this one again I'll write. This one. Okay, done to. This one is number 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Acha, number 6 is this one. This one is number 7, 83. Now the number 8. Look, it is 69 is given. Write in expanded form. 69, just I am writing over there. It is ones, it is tens. So 6 tens are there. How many tens are there? 6. How many ones are there? 9. Just write it. Now the next one. 647. Achha, it was write it, then I am going to explain the next one. Completed up to this, up to 8. Rahat done up to this. Not okay, okay. Actually not done. Okay, okay. Okay, here also I am writing the answer if you not done it. 843. Okay, Rahat done to. Okay, Atrey done. Samriddha, Orindam. Acha, Farhan, Jubair, Srijita, Jinia, they have already done. Okay. Jubair done to. Okay, now just look. I am doing the next one. Okay. 647. Look at this. 647 is given over there. 1 tens 100. Look, this one. Okay. The circled one. Look at this. Now, how many hundreds are there? Definitely, look, 6 in 100 place. So write 6 over there. How many tens are there? What is written in tens place? 4. How many ones are there? 7. Completed this one. Look, I am just writing this one only. Write this first. Now the last 3 questions. Now last 3 questions, okay? Okay. Now write the smallest 2-digit number. Already we know the smallest 2-digit number is what? 10. Because before 10, the immediate before number is 9 and it is 1-digit number. Now here at 2-digit. From 10 onwards, we get the 2 digits number. 2-digit numbers we get from 10 onwards. After 10, it is 11, 12. In this way, it will continue now. So the smallest 2-digit number is, right, 10. Okay, done. Now the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. Look, it is definitely 999. Already I made you written. Look. After that, what comes after this? It is 1000. It is a 4-digit number, so we can't take it. And before that, it is 998. Look, it is less than 999. But we have to find the larger one. It is 999. Rahat, understood? No, not. Acha. Up to this, Rahat done. Okay, okay, good. 10 you have written to 10 answer. Okay. Now let me explain the next one. Greatest 3-digit number. This one is given. Just look at this. I am zooming it. Write the greatest 3-digit number, right? Greatest 3-digit number. Look, we know 999 is the last 3-digit number, na? Yes or no? Because if we add 1, what will you get? 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 1 plus 9, again 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Yes to Rahat? Yes? $999. Very good. Acha, that means it is 4-digit number, na? So we have to take the last 3-digit number, last one. Now it is clear, to Rahat? Okay. So write over there 999. Now smallest 3-digit. That means from which the 3-digit number is starting. 100, na? Look, before it is 99 and it is the 2-digit number, right, na? From 100 it is starting. 3-digit number is starting. 101, 102 in this way. So it will be 100, right? Write 100 over there. All of you completed, so? Yes. No, acha, acha, okay. Samriddha completed. Those who have completed, they will show me their copy. I am waiting for the others, but those who have completed, just show me their copy. Okay. But no need to write the question. No need to write the question. It will be uploaded. Here you will just write the answer only. Okay. For the first one, look. Dev has 63 marbles. How many marbles Dev has? 63 marbles. Okay. 20 more were given to him. How many marbles? Amar, acha, it will be Dev, huh? This will be Dev. It is printing mistake. Printing mistake. Now just look, Dev has 63 marbles, 20 more marbles given to him. How many marbles Dev has now? Suppose Rahat has 63 chocolates. Okay. I have given 20 more chocolates to Rahat. So right now, how many chocolates do you have, Rahat? You will add now. Yes? Okay. If understood, then just shake your heads. Ifra, Jennifer, understood? Yes, okay. Jennifer, if we have 63 chocolates, then we are giving 20 more. Total will be how much? Addition, so. Okay, now just look. Just write the answer, this one. For the first one. No need to write the question. Okay, here. Just write the answer. Dev has 63 marbles. All of you write the lines. First, write the line, all of you. Next, he was given wait a minute, huh? You have to write in only in one line, okay? He was given 20 more marbles. Okay? Now, right now, how many marbles you have? Total marbles. Just put the addition sign, okay? 83 marbles. Marbles he has. Done, Tom? These marbles are with him. Just write in one statement, one line, okay? As there is no space, I have written over there. You should write this answer, this bracket part in one line. Total is equal to 83 marbles are with him. Completed this one? Completed so? Show me your copy if you have completed. I'm waiting for 1 minute. Within this 1 minute, you have to complete it. Huh? Over there, Nitin has 82 stamps. Rahul has 149 stamps and Paramveer has 116. How many stamps do they have all together? All together means what? Total means addition. Yes, so shake your head if yes. Acha, okay, good. Now just what to write? Just write the answer. Only this box part you will write, huh? Only this answer. Understood? So only this answer. No need to write the question. Just mark 2, then answer. This question will be uploaded. Now just write Nitin has 82 stamps. Rahul has 149 stamps. Paramveer. Achha, I have written Paramveer dot, huh? You will write the full name, whole word, okay? Paramveer has 116 stamps. Now just put the addition sign over there. Total altogether they have is equal to, just you have to add. Yes, so now look, 6 plus 9 plus 2. This one, 6 plus 9 means what? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After that, again 2. 16, 17, yes, 17. 7 will be there, 1 is carried over there, right? Done. Now this one, 1, 4 and 8. These 3. Just add them. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus this carry forward digit. 14, 4. Again, 1 is carried over there. Yes. Now this 1 plus 1, this carried forward digit. Just 3. They have these stamps all together. Done to? All of you done? Acha, look. If you get disconnected, then join again. If you get disconnected, join again. अगर डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया तो फिर से ज्वाइन करना, ठीक है? Have you completed this one? I am waiting. अच्छा, all of you understood तो shake your head if yes. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Those who have completed, just show me the copy. If you have completed, then show me your copy.